What to start an online store but overwhelmed by the tech? Shopify makes it easy. Here is how. Shopify powers over 4 million stores worldwide, but is it right for you? Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that lets anyone sell online without coding. Key features of Shopify include hosting, meaning that Shopify hosts it. There is no need for you to purchase extra web hosting. It also allows automatic online payments and through various methods such as crypto, PayPal, Shopify payments, which is a debit card and credit card payments. And the beauty is also that it allows international transactions. But this depends with where you are from. But in most cases and in all countries, these are uniform. It has powerful themes and also free basic themes within it that you can get started without paying anything. It also includes apps, that is extra software that enables it to function or gives it extra functionality. For example, if you want to link it to social media, if you want to link it to marketing channels such as Facebook or Meta Marketplace or Google Shopping, all that comes through the various apps. And there are other apps that are paid that gives it also extra functionality, but more about that on the next video, where I'll discuss about Shopify apps. It also includes marketing tools, as I've said, that integrate quickly and easily with key marketing platforms such as Meta, Facebook, and TikTok. Before I go any further, I've seen that more than 90% of people who watch these videos are non-subscribers. I kindly, with a smile, ask you to subscribe, because here we talk about e-commerce, digital marketing, how to make money online. And if you are looking for a way, or you want to get started creating your own online Shopify store, I will make a step-by-step guide on how to create your own Shopify store. Check up here, maybe it's out, but if you don't see it, it means it's not out yet. I'll also help you with a lot of tips on how to optimize your Shopify store. Shopify work, well, you have to pick a plan. Then after picking a plan, signing up. If you would want to pick a plan or to sign up, I've got a link in the description that subscribers, make sure you subscribe first before you click that link. Why? Because that link will give you a discount. It will give you a trial to try Shopify to see if it's worth it for you before you commit or pay anything. Then after that, for 3 months, you'll pay only $1. If you're outside US, the United States, you'll pay something equivalent to $1. Why? Because Shopify is a multi-country platform. It's not only limited to the US. So there's a good reason to subscribe and a good reason to use that link. I will get a small commission if you use that link in the description. That motivates me to keep on doing these nice tutorials. All in it is just trying to help as much people as possible to be successful online. The small commission will go towards me improving the quality of these videos, buying things like equipment, good sound equipment, and cameras, and also a bit of motivation, maybe some sweets. Okay. So after you use their drag and drop editor, if you sign up, you are going to get started using their drag and drop editor. And then you do things like adding products, your own products, upload product images, set prices, variants, and a lot more other things. After all has been done, you have designed your shop through their drag and drop builder and uploaded your product. It will be time to launch your store. Connect it to a domain. You might opt to buy a domain outside Shopify, which is a bit cheaper. Then connect it to, if you need a tutorial about connecting a domain to Shopify, I will do a tutorial, independent tutorial check if it's out. If it's not out, I'll definitely do it very fast. You can opt to buy a domain inside Shopify, but it's a bit expensive. In most cases, it's always good to buy it outside Shopify so that you have control over the domain. Maybe later you might want to change that domain. Who knows? So below, I've placed a link in the description where you can easily buy your own domain fast, and they will help you also connect your domain to Shopify. Just have to pop them an email. And then after that, you launch your store. It goes live when you have connected your domain, and you start selling, accepting card payments. Maybe the sales process after launch, after adding products, you might still need to add your payment gateway or a payment provider. But in most cases, if you are in countries like America, USA, the UK, and other countries, it's really easier to open Shopify payments powered by Stripe, and you integrate your payments. Then you start receiving money, making loads and loads of money through a Shopify store. We go to pricing. As of now, as at the time of recording this video, so these are the plans for Shopify. The first plan for the first, you only use a power is if you use link in description. The basic plan costs €21. I'll also share these plans in US dollars in a picture, so don't worry about the price and the rate. But obviously, €21. Now you just convert it equivalent to your own currency. This plan gives you the basics of Shopify, up to 10 inventory locations, 24/7 support, localized global selling in 3 global markets, and POS, point of sale light, which means you can integrate it with your point of sale machine. The growth plan is £59 per month, but remember, for the first 3 months, you are going to pay only $1 or one equivalent to £1. €1, not £1 per se. €1 equivalent to €1. This is ideal for small teams. 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling in 3 markets, 5 additional staff accounts, meaning you have the option to get 5 people to help you, maybe to manage the website or the online store. Then the advanced plan, which is $289 per month. This will give you 10 inventory locations, obviously 24/7 support, localized global selling, and 3 markets, and you can also add markets for $59 per month. 15 additional staff accounts, which means if your business is big, you can add as much people helpers as possible, and you can integrate it with your point of sale machine. Then this one available only 3-year term, the Shopify Plus for more complex businesses. Take for example your Gucci stores, your big companies. For $2,300 per month. Gives you up to 200 inventory location, localized global selling up to 50 markets. If you are an international business, unlimited staff accounts, fully customizable, high volume checkout, up to 200 point of sales pro locations, and wholesale sales, meaning you can sell on a B2B basis. So these are the plans in euros. Remember, if you use link in description, you can get it for €1 for 3 months while you're trying it. The plan. Let me share the pricing in US dollars. Basic plan is $29 per month, good for starters and small businesses. Then the Shopify plan is $79 per month. It offers better reporting and other things. Then the advanced, which is $299 per month. Then the bigger one, which is $2,300 per month. But obviously, it depends with the time. Prices might vary just a bit, but I'll try to give you as much accurate pricing as possible. It is of selling on Shopify. No technical skills needed, or no hosting is needed because they host it themselves. It's Shopify is well known for its security features. It's secure. Why? Because with anyone in security, they take care of security. It's on their part if they compromise security. They have to compensate you, but they have a good track record so far. They've never compromised on security. Apps and integration, over 8,000 apps are available, including the likes of Obelo for dropshipping. Search engine optimization in marketing. They are building tools for things like Google Ads, email marketing, and social media sales. You have created a Shopify store. How do you market? Trying firstly to do good quality SEO basics like your meta tags, your URLs. Then trying email campaigns via email opt-in forms. Sell on Meta, Instagram, Facebook. Integrate with Google Ads, TikTok, and obviously the Google Merchant Center. How do individual videos about doing all that? So there is a good reason to subscribe. The pros and cons, it is really user-friendly. Shopify is user-friendly. It offers 24/7 support. It's scalable. Then the disadvantages is that it charges transaction fees, obviously, and app costs, extra costs if you opt to use sub-apps within it. And compared to other options, it might be a bit of an expensive choice than other cheaper options. But obviously, you trade in things like security, things like reliability. With Shopify for really, it's for beginners who want to do e-commerce, for dropshippers, for physical product sellers, for scaling brands, for big companies. And it's not ideal for a service-based business. It's only ideal for e-commerce only. So I think I've tried and exhausted much of it. Don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below if you like it. Give it a thumbs up. If you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to follow. And remember, I put a link in description that gives you a 3 months free trial, 3 months trial where you only pay $1 whilst trying Shopify. It's a good reason to subscribe, like, share, and comment.